Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you a quick little tip on how to remove these anchored wall plugs, these metal ones at the top. They can be quite difficult to remove, and I'll show you a quick and easy way. So the temptation would be to get yourself a pair of pliers and sort of squeeze and maybe pull, or maybe insert a screw and try and pull it out. But I'll show you why that's not a good idea. Here's one that was done in that method, and as you can see, it's ripped off half the wall as well with it, so you end up with a huge hole that you don't need. Here's one that was done in a much cleaner way in the method I'm going to show you now. So it's a bit of an awkward one. It's up high and reaching up. So all you need to do is get yourself a flathead screwdriver, one that will fit inside that hole, and then I'll show you from the side actually. Get it in there, give it a slight pull, and you want it to twist and like lever it backwards until you hear it snap. So you heard it snap there. Carry on, and what will happen is, oh, got it. The front of the plug will just snap off like that. So then you can get rid of that, and then with your screwdriver put it in and just give it a little knock. Push the rest of the plug inwards, and then that plug will fall into the wall cavity. That's it. You've got a smaller hole which you can patch up and get a nice flush finish. Right, here's another one. And here we've got two. One's already got a screw inside it. So like I said before, it could be tempting to loosen this screw a little bit and then pull it. But the reason why that won't work is because these are anchor plugs. So essentially what's happening is, on the other side of this plasterboard, you put the plug in and then you use a tool to insert them, and it spreads open on the back. So it's basically like, imagine like a bar on the back which is holding it in. So if you try and pull it, that bar is going to pull off the wall with it. So you do need to get rid of them into the wall. So as before, get your screwdriver in and give it a twist and lever it and twist it until you hear it snap. There you go. Snap it off, and then you screw it up. Just push the rest of it inwards a little. Like I say, it doesn't need to go far, it just needs to go past the surface, because then you're going to fill over here anyway and get a flush finish. And on the previous one, it did go all the way into the wall cavity, but behind here there's probably less of a gap, so it's not actually falling in. But like I said, that's far enough. So yeah, that's how you get rid of these heavy duty wall anchors in your walls. So if you like that tip, then come back to the next video and hopefully I'll share some more things like this. Bye.